Yesterday, I showed you my two worlds. I showed you the floor and the fire. Today, the cameras are still rolling, but the applause has died down. Day 9 is where most people stop. They call it burnout. I call it the filter. People see the 15,000 views and think the fire stays hot on its own. It doesn't. You have to feed it. Discipline isn't a feeling. It's a decision you make when you're tired. Before I step into the forge, I am here on the job site. Look at these lines. In tiling, if you are off by a millimeter, the whole room is ruined. It's about patience. People want the masterpiece blade, but they don't want the years of laying mortar and cement that taught me how to be steady. Tiling taught me that the foundation is everything. If the base isn't solid, the work won't last. Most of you are looking for a shortcut to success, but your current job, the one you think is just a paycheck, is actually your training ground for the dream you love. But there is a deeper level to this grind. It is the discipline of a father. A father doesn't work only when he feels inspired. A father works because lives depend on his precision. When I'm laying tiles at 6 a.m. or swinging this hammer at midnight, I am not just thinking about a blade or a floor. I am thinking about the legacy I am leaving for my children. A father's discipline is silent. It doesn't complain about the heat of the forge or the ache in the back from a long day of tiling. It simply says, this must be done. To be a man of apatheia is to lead your family with a steady hand, regardless of the chaos outside. Now, I take that precision from the job site and that weight of responsibility, and I bring it here to the fire. In the forge, I found my apatheia. The ability to stay steady when the world is loud. Whether it's a client complaining about a deadline or a blade that isn't bending the way I want, my response is the same. Precision, persistence, power. Blacksmithing is where I turn that tiler's discipline into raw strength. Watch the heat. The fire doesn't care who you are, it only cares about your focus. I want to take a moment to speak to those of you who commented on the last piece. You're the reason I keep the light on in this forge. One of you said, "Great piece." And it reminded me why we do this. To my brothers around the world, whether you are a student, a plumber, or a driver, your trade is your training. Don't call it a side hustle. Call it your legacy. If you can master one thing, you can master anything. Look at this blade. It was forged by the hands of a tiler. It's proof that you aren't just defined by your job title. You are whatever you have the discipline to become. We aren't just making tools here. We are making ourselves. Day 9 is done. We are just getting started. If you're still with me, drop a forged in the comments. Subscribe to join the legacy. Stay quiet within. Stay forged.